Thought I might find you here, punk.
Richter Danger, I find you in my lair once more.
And this will be the last time, because after this, you're going to the slammer for a long while.
That's what you think. But by the end of tonight, the world will know my name.
What's your name?
Troy! It's Troy, right?
Ah, cut! Well, yes, your name is Troy. God, Troy.
That's...
It's kind of a dumb name,
Yeah,
don't you think?
What do you mean it's a dumb name?
Well, like, he gets a cool name like Richter Danger, and all I get is Troy.
Yeah, that's
Well,
kinda
he's the lead.
And why am I dressed like a 70s cop?
lame. Where did you get this script?
You look like a 70s cop, and... You, my child.
Yeah. Are we okay? Hello?
I think he's having. He can't even spell 12.
Yeah, that's another thing. Your name. What is it? Lightning 12?
Lightning Tweeve?
It is pronounced
It.
lightning 12.
Then why does it say Lightning 12?
That's an O.
That is how it's spelt. My name, my last name is pronounced 12.
Isn't your name like... I thought it was like Kevin. Yeah, isn't it Kevin?
Yeah, we went to high school together. Your name is fucking Kevin!
Wait. Where did you get Lightning 12? Where did any of this come from? Bro, I haven't seen you in a month and this happens.
Guys, a lot's happened in the last month. I legally changed my name, I was mugged on 3.5 times on the street, and I wrote this script. This script. Perform it!
And also, why does it say I have to stab him in the eye with this?
Because that's his weakness, you see.
My weakness is roses.
Well, yes, you're allergic to them. Obviously.
My fault that's everybody is allergic. Where did you get
Yes,
that?
don't worry. We get it, you're an actor.
You said...
Just let the professionals do their work.
So the villain Troy stabs Richter Danger in the eye with his allergy.
Yeah, that's kind of a...
So let me just show you what this is gonna look like. So we're both wearing sunglasses, protective lenses, okay? And I'm supposed to take this end, and just poke him right through the eye.
Yeah, the sunglasses protect from bullets, but not the flower.
Hold on.
Wait. I'm getting... Wait. Bullets? Did you just say bullets?
Did I stutter?
But you're gonna edit in bullets being shot at the sunglasses.
Oh, editing, please. It's all authentic, as I said.
This just got more illegal.
So it's supposed to look like this, right? So by the way, you get shot at, bullets don't go through these, apparently, sick. But I'm supposed to go, and I quote from your movie, Christmas is canceled, and I just stab him in the eye.
That is perfect. We'll go with that. Were you filming?
It's July.
Fantastic.
Oh, you never taught me how to record on this, so I basically got none of that.
Fuck it. We'll do it in post.
Christmas is canceled.
I just gotta say one thing, Rocky Balboa, step into the ring, I'm just tryna put on for my team, go ahead and step up or let 'em swing.
Richard's about to become an endangered species.
You call that a car? This is a car.
I'm about to kill 2 punks with 1 gun.
They call me Ranch, cause I be dressing.
Bang!
I just gotta say one thing, Rocky Balboa, step into the ring, I'm just tryna
as Richter Danger. Max to the Max Maximus as Troy. Written and directed by the Lightning 12.
Oh my god!
This May 7th at all but every theater. Now presenting Not Without My Sunday Revolver.
In about a decade, I'll be the old head, wavering in the new age, surfing on them new waves, searching for them new ways. Got the blueprint like Jay, up in the morning like Sway. Don't give a fuck what you say, I do what I love and get paid. Drink on my cup and I'm blazed, living it up, don't get phased. I just gotta say one thing, rock it Balboa, step into the ring.